Hi guys, so I'm in London Euston. As you may have already watched my first class train down here. If you haven't, I'll put a link below or a link at the end of this video. But now we're going to go over and we're going to try and find King's Cross Station, where I believe there's a Harry Potter 9 3/4 shop. So we'll have a look there. So come on, let's go. Not the best of days to come out. Rainy, windy, but it's not too bad.
So here we are guys, King's Cross Station. I have to say, what an amazing piece of architecture. Absolutely stunning. Love the RGB colour changing on the roof. Looks amazing. Love it. So we're just going to head straight down now and we're going to go into platform 9 3/4 shop. And I'll take you guys with me and we'll have a little look around. And we'll probably make a couple of purchases, I should imagine. So let's go.
This is a big station. Plenty of restaurants around. Wasabi, Greg's, Prezzo, Giraffe, Costa up there. Down below you've got WH Smith's. Yeah, there's plenty. Get your photo done going through the wall.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Walking into the shop then, the first thing that we've got is the little trolley in front of you, which is the sweet trolley from Harry Potter, which I'm sure we've all seen. And yeah, it's got some amazing stuff. Yeah, we've got the chocolate frogs, bars of chocolate, and the world famous butterbeer.
Oh, I think I'll be coming away with one of these cups. Oh, there's Ron's jumper. Where's Harry's?
I went ahead and purchased these butterbeer biscuits and they was absolutely amazing. Amazing. So delicious. So if you get chance, check out my hot butterbeer recipe in one of my other videos. I'll put a link below. These with hot butterbeer, absolutely beautiful. You gotta try it, guys. And if you do, drop some comments in below and let me know what you think.
Yeah, no prices on these things. Let's see if we can find it. Right, there you go, £14.
Master has given Dobby a shock. Excuse me, please.
So, and with that, we're done, guys. I just wanted a quick day out somewhere, so just chose just to come down here. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. It's very much appreciated. So, see you soon.